Yeah, man, that was really awesome. It was really, really awesome. Yeah.
Bonk.
Hey, can you hold on for a second? Hey, I'm on the phone now. I'll be coming back in few minutes and then I'm going to make that unboxing video. Till then, don't touch my gun, okay? So, where were we? Yeah, man, I know, man, I know. Hello, welcome to the unboxing of the James Bond Revolver. Basically, it is the golden edition replica of the Anaconda Colt revolver. And on Amazon, it is sold as the James Bond Revolver. What? So here's what we have in the box. The golden edition Anaconda Colt revolver, of course. Feels so good. Also a noise suppressor. Tastes good, man. Tastes really good. Also the laser scope. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. And lastly, 3 packets of BB bullets. Looks good. So here's the gun. The scope goes on top of it. And the suppressor goes on front of it. Yeah. Wow! It really looks like a real gun. Oh my god! The bullet, it goes right here. Now you can shoot anyone you want. Oh, I forgot, it's a toy gun and it doesn't shoot bullets. See, nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Oh, but this gun is really awesome, man. Oh, this really looks like a real gun. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? I'm making the unboxing video of this James Bond revolver. Why in the fuck are you doing that? I told you not to touch my gun and I was about to make the unboxing video. I'm trying to help you with the unboxing of this toy gun. It's more than a toy. What? It doesn't even shoot bullets. Hey! Give me the gun. Now give me a bullet. There is already one in it. Now I'm gonna shoot you for what you did. That gun doesn't fire bullets.
Bonk.
This is what happens to you when you underestimate a James Bond revolver replica. You unbox, you die.
Ha 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 ha!